How to change heart color on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change the heart color on your Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing you'll need to do is make sure that your Instagram is up to date to its latest version. So for that, you can head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and update. After doing so, you can simply open up your Instagram. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After you've done that, you can head over to a chat section. You can go to whichever you want. And let's say that you want to react to a certain message. So I'll just do this on my own message right here. You can double tap on it and you'll see this has given it a red heart. So what you can do is you can long press on the message that you want to change the heart color on. Tap on the plus icon on the Emojis Reacts center, and after you've done that, head over to the search bar and simply search for heart. After you search for heart, you will find the list of heart. Let me do that again. If you don't find it, you can simply scroll till you find the heart section. So I'll just do that since the search bar is clearly not working. So let me do that and find the hearts section. So as you can see right here, the hearts are in the symbols section. Now there are a lot of colors for the hearts. So you can choose whichever color you want. And that is basically how you can change heart color on Instagram. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.